Hello guys and welcome back. I am Mr. LH and this video is part 5 of series in which we are creating a static platformer. If you haven't watched part 4, it will be available in the iCard above. And if you are new to the series or to this channel, don't worry, I have got you covered. The entire playlist is also available in the iCard above. If you do end up liking this video, do drop a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Without further ado, let's begin. In the last video, we had seen long range attack. Today, we will be seeing how to create levels. So we have created this ground. When the green flag is there, it will go to this position. Let's make a variable and call it level. And let's go to events and create a message. Next level. Let's create a sprite. Let's take this ball for example. For now, I'll be hiding the hunter. When the green flag is pressed, forever. If sensing, if touching bear, broadcast, next level. Let's go to ground. When I receive next level, let's go to variables, change level by 1. When the green flag is pressed, let's go to looks, switch costume to, let's take the level from here and put it here. Let's create a few levels. Let's put this here. Let's change this 5 and minus 74. Let's call this level 1. Let's call this level 0. Let's make a few more levels. Let's paint one more level. Let's call this 2. For now, I know it does not look very appealing, but I'll make it better later. And let's paint one more. Okay, so we are done making 4 level. When the green flag is pressed, set level to 0. Let's see. Let's stop everything. Let's put the barrier. Let's go to ground. And go to costumes. Let's put this little bit down here. And let's stop and let's run this again. Broadcast next level and go to looks and hide. Go to looks. Let's go to bear from events. When I receive next level, let's go to motion, go to minus 200 and minus 35. Let's run it again. Let's put a forever loop here. And it. We don't need the it. As you can see, it's gone to level, changing the level. Don't mind the bullet for now. But as you can see, the level is changing. We will fix the bullet in the next video. That's it from my side. See you in the next one. This is Mr. LH signing out and hope you had a great time. If you did enjoy this video, do consider liking, sharing and subscribing. It really helps support the channel.